welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to talk to you about how to do a back bend. We did this previously, but this is just going to have a few more updates and revisions in this video. So I'm here with my dancer Sonia, and she's going to show you how she does her back bend. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and lie down on your back, and we're going to take our feet and we're going to place them as close to your bum as possible. So we're going to put them right on the floor. Yep, we're going to open them up just hip distance apart. We're going to place our hands all the way up to our shoulders. Now, the biggest mistake that we see most frequently is students will place their hands a little bit too wide. You want to make sure that they're no wider than your shoulders and their elbows are in nice and tight. We don't want to have what we call chicken wings. Okay, so our elbows are going to be in nice and tight, and she's going to then lift her bum up first. She's going to peel it up off the floor, she's going to push through her arms, and she's going to squeeze her glutes. So squeezing these glutes and keeping these tight is what's going to protect her back. And she's going to look down at the floor the whole time, and ideally you want to try to get your shoulders over your wrists as much as possible. Okay, this will prevent your wrists from being pinched. And as she comes down, she's going to look up to the ceiling, she's going to slowly lower herself down onto her back and then onto her bum. So again, pressing up slowly into her back bend. Sonia's going to fix her arms. There we go. She's going to lift her bum up into the air nice and high. She's going to press up. She's going to squeeze her glutes, lift her hips up to the ceiling as much as possible. Oh, this is a lot better. See, her shoulders are a little bit more forward on top of the wrists here. Yeah, that is a perfect, it makes your bridge or your back bend so much higher when you can really get those arms narrow instead of out, like being out so wide. So you really want to pull that in. Perfect, and she's going to look up to the ceiling and slowly lower herself down. After your back bend, go ahead and take your knees, and you're going to want to give yourself a few rock and rolls. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.